Hey everyone, if we have decided that LinkedIn is no longer the right platform for us, whether we are taking a break from social media, changing careers, simplifying our online presence, or just not using our account anymore, we might be wondering how to permanently delete our LinkedIn account. Closing our account is a serious step because it removes our profile, connections, and activity from the platform. Today, we will explain how to delete a LinkedIn account and what we should think about before doing it. The goal is to fully remove our professional profile and personal data from LinkedIn. Some of us might want to delete our account for privacy, to lower our online presence, or because we do not need networking or job searching anymore. Before deleting our account, it is important to know that this is permanent. We will lose our connections, endorsements, recommendations, messages, and profile information. If we have a LinkedIn Premium subscription, we need to cancel it before closing our account. Also, if we think we might want to come back later, we should download a copy of our LinkedIn data before deleting the account. Knowing these steps helps us make the right choice and avoid losing important professional information by accident. Now let's see how to delete our LinkedIn account. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Once we are on linkedin.com, log into your account. After logging in, we will see the home page. To delete an account on LinkedIn, we go to our settings. To find settings, we just click the small icon with our profile photo. There is a drop-down menu next to Me. Click this, then go to Settings under Privacy. Once we are in Settings and Privacy, we go to Account Preferences. At the bottom of this section, we will see Close Account or Delete Account under Account Management. Click this option, then click Continue. If we want to go on, we will be asked why we are deleting the account. For example, we might choose privacy concerns. Next, we need to enter our password. After entering our password, our account will be deleted. And that is how we delete a LinkedIn account. We should review our decision carefully before confirming, since deleting the account will permanently remove our profile and professional network. If we are sure, following these steps will close our account successfully.